LeVay. I'm a live party caricature artist. I specialize in weddings, graduations, big birthdays, any kind of event where people gather for fun. It really depends on the flow of the crowd, but I can draw about 10 people an hour, face-only caricatures. I love it because it's been a big change for me after I was knocked out of the sign business. I was always an artist, and I kind of morphed into doing this because of the help of the other guys who are in the caricature community that helped me for no reason. They helped me get here, but I just love doing it. That's the best part, is the reaction. That's the pay for me, is, you know, seeing in it. Sometimes it's a big laugh, and even occasionally, even if it's a deer in the headlights look, it's still fun, funny, you know. But